In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Let's get started. And first off, open up Threads. After that, all we have to do is just open up the profile of a person we would like to block. We can just tap at someone's name just like that from their profile. We need to tap at these three dots and then select block. Now it says that once you block someone, they won't be able to find your profile or your content on Threads. Also, they won't be notified that you blocked them. Obviously, you can unblock them anytime in settings. To continue, tap at block. As you can see, I have just blocked that user. Now let me show you how we can easily unblock any user and where we can find block list. To find the block list, tap at your profile icon. Then tap at globe. And then blocked profiles. That's where you can find all your blocked accounts. From here, you can tap at unblock to unblock any user. Just tap at unblock. After a couple of seconds, the user will be unblocked. And also we can tap at that plus sign. And that's where we can find all our followings. From here we can just scroll down. If we would like to block someone, all we have to do is just tap at block here. That's how you can easily block and unblock someone on Threads. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also I recommend you to check out my Threads tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. You can easily find it in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I'll see you in the next one.